what are some tips that will get customers through the summer months and hopefully save on their utility bills?
Yeah, absolutely. So in the summer, it's recommended by the Department of Energy that you want to set your thermostat to 78 degrees. Seems a little high maybe, but I would encourage you to use a ceiling fan, and that will make the room seem as if it's 4 degrees cooler than it really is. So I aim for 74 degrees at home in the summer, and then with the ceiling fan, it feels like about 70. Heating and cooling are your biggest energy expenses at home. So that's why it's so important to monitor the temperature of your home. We recommend people get a programmable, or even better, a smart thermostat to help them save about 10% on their heating and cooling costs.